Everybody has chrome.
Yes,
you
sir.
did something quite different here, and I like it.
This thing looks amazing.
You want to drive it too?
I mean, I'm already here.
Look at the driving and stuff. That's cool. You guys just admiring, or is this one of your cars?
It's one of our creations.
One of our creations.
Yeah.
That's so you own it?
No,
You
this
own
is the owner here. This is Keith.
it? Keith. Hey, Keith.
Nice to meet you,
man. Listen.
Nice to meet you, Ricky.
This is a 67.
68 Caprice. Started life as an original 327 car with a big, large bench seat, and then I sent to my good buddies here at Chevy Customs who did their wonderful transformation.
You know, he wanted this big road car, but you know, he threw out some ideas about being a kind of a pro touring car as well.
Which was, I wanted bucket seats, and I wanted a large cup holder.
This is super duper clean. Why does it look so different? Now, so first of all, let's start with the front. Everybody has chrome.
Yes,
you
sir.
did something quite different here, and I like it. You did a brush.
We did a brush nickel is what we did, and then hand brushed it. So it's a second step in chrome, is what it is.
So this is basically the nickel phase.
It is.
And you brushed it.
Correct.
Okay.
Correct. This brush nickel just pulled the yellows and the golds along with that color in the paint, and I thought it would just be killer.
I see something going on here. You're missing some headlights here, some highlights. And I'm sure there's a reason for that, and I guess I'll come back to that shortly, but I want to talk about the lines on the car. I like the hood.
The hood started as a stock flat hood that we obviously metalworked and modified. Because everything on this car is steel. There's no fiberglass in this car. So everything's all hand-formed sheet metal.
So you molded all this because normally these would meet right here.
Correct.
And then the quarter panel was split right there. You took all of that out. Yo, you guys
Just try to smooth it up, you know, as much as we can.
You did a great
A lot of
job.
little details.
Got a supercharger.
Yeah, a little something winding up in there, huh?
Got a supercharger. See, I know a little bit of something. You know, I saw the bull horns in the front. You gotta pop the hood. I'm tired of y'all teasing me. I got to see what's making this thing tick. Oh my goodness. What is this? I've never seen nothing like that. I can't see nothing.
So running
Damn,
under the hood is the LSA supercharged engine, rated about 600 horsepower.
Dude, listen, I'm done. I just can't tell you how great a job you guys did. Keep doing things like this, and I might be checking